Let's explore the essentials of welding. There are 7 main types, from MIG and TIG to stick and shielded. Positions range from 1G flat to the challenging 6G and pipe. Master these to master the craft.
Welding builds our entire world, from cars to massive bridges. There are 7 primary types, mastered in standardized positions, from simple 1G to challenging 6G. First is gas welding. This is most commonly oxyacetylene welding. It uses fuel gas and oxygen to create a high-temperature flame. This melts the base metal and filler rod. Next is arc welding, a broad category that uses an electric to generate intense heat. This includes widely used welding or stick welding and gas metal arc welding, commonly known as MIG welding.
Third is resistance welding. This process generates heat through the electrical resistance of the workpieces while they are held together under pressure. Common in automotive manufacturing is a classic example.
Fourth, solid-state welding creates a bond. This process works without melting the base materials. Processes like friction welding fall into this category. It uses friction to generate heat. This creates
Fifth is radiant energy welding. These use highly focused beams of energy. Laser and electron beam are key examples. They create narrow, deep welds with minimal distortion.
Sixth, exothermic welding, also known as thermite welding, uses a chemical reaction between a metal oxide and aluminum to produce superheated molten metal. This is often used for joining railway tracks and large cables. Finally, we have races like brazing and soldering. While they don't melt the base metal, they use a filler metal with a lower melting point to join components, typically in electrical and plumbing applications. Now that we've covered the main processes, let's look at the positions a welder must master. These are standardized to ensure quality and consistency across the industry. We start with 1G, the flat position. This is the simplest and most stable position. Gravity helps hold the molten metal in place, making it ideal for learning. Next is 2G, the horizontal position. But the weld is deposited on a horizontal axis. Gravity is now a challenge as it tends to sag. The welder must carefully manage the torch angle to prevent defects. In 3G welding, the joint is vertical. Welding up gives deep penetration for thick plates. Vertical down is faster, perfect for thin sheets. Control the puddle to master this position.
4G overhead welding is the most difficult. Gravity pulls the molten metal down. This requires precise heat control to prevent drips and ensure fusion.
Now we move from flat plates to pipes, which introduces 2 more specialized positions, 5G and 6G.
The 5G position is a fixed horizontal pipe test. The welder must move around the pipe. This covers overhead, vertical, and flat positions.
Finally, the pinnacle of welding tests is the 6G position. The pipe is fixed at a 45-degree angle. This creates the ultimate challenge, as the welder must master all positions simultaneously around a...
So there you have it, the 7 major types of welding, from versatile gas and arc and electron beam, and we've seen how the 6 standard positions from 1G flat to 6G and pipe test a welder's mastery. Whether you are just starting your journey or looking to refine your skills, understanding these fundamentals is the key to creating strong, safe, and lasting joints. Remember, practice, patience, and proper... Hit that like button, it supports the channel. Drop a comment and let us know, which do you find most challenging? Subscribe and turn on the bell to never miss our tutorials. Keep welding safe, thanks for watching.